Narinig namin sa TV, parang sinabi mo, magandang kapalit to sa Grand Slam.
Yeah, you know, masakit yung pagkatalo namin ng Grand Slam. We came within 2 quarters of winning it all last year. Pero ito naman pala yung kapalit. Defending an all-Filipino crown took 27 years in the making. So actually, mas matagal pa sa last Grand Slam. And you know, this makes it just a lot sweeter. But I believe that championships are made of special moments, and nothing more special than what was that near tragedy with Ali Peak. And like I said there outside, I think that was November 9 or something, when Ali Peak called me to tell me that he was shot. We rushed to the hospital, and then I called Jimmy and everybody else. And within an hour, the entire team was there. Even, was it Medical City, even Ranidel, maski mga nakatira sa Las Piñas, they were all there at Ali's bedside. And I can still remember very clearly, I hope I had a video camera to document it, but just spontaneously the whole team gathered around Ali Peak's bed, and Kelly said, let's offer a prayer and let's pray together as a team. And there we were, the entire Tropang Texters, gathering around the fallen comrade, offering a prayer. Everybody was in tears. Ali was in tears, was really worried about his personal safety. But I think at that point was a big step where the bond and the teammanship of this group of individuals got cemented. And I think that's the reason why even when we got everybody injured, we still found ways to win in the elimination round. And then the second moment, I think, was, like I said before, when we were down 3-1 to Petron, when even I was thinking, you know, maybe this isn't for us. But the players wouldn't allow it. And like I said, we sat in the dugout here in Araneta, looked each other in the eye and said, this isn't over, and we can still make it back. And when we did make it back, then I felt that was just a sure sign. I mean, my last talk to the players, I said, just from the heart, I told the players, one-on-one, that on November 9, when I was looking at Ali, I really thought that that was it, that I would never see this team together again. I never thought that we would see this group of guys together again. I thought that was it. But to come in on the verge of a championship, all of us were there. Ali was there. Kelly popped his hamstring, he was there. Ryan, all his injuries, and Jimmy, everybody was there. All we talked about was, let's not waste the opportunity, because we never know when we'll be back here again. I never know, none of us in our team ever knows if we'll be in this position again. So ang pinag-usapan lang namin is, let's make the most of this opportunity. And that's the mindset that we took going into this moment. What a perfect choice, and I should laud you guys for making a great decision on Larry Fonasher. Does anybody know the one thing that only Larry has in our team? Siya lang, ang katangi-tangi. In this all-Filipino, I think we had 21, 22 players all in all in a uniform because of all our injuries. Larry Fonasher was the only one who played every game. Since last year past, but this tournament, he was the only one who played every game. It was supposed to be him and Japet, but I decided not to play Japet tonight, so Japet got stricken off that list. So it was only Larry Fonasher. And there's a lot to be said about being present, about one's presence. So when Jimmy was out, Jason was there. When Ryan was out, Larry was there. When Ali was out, Kelly was there. When Kelly was out, Ranidel came back in. When people were out, Harvey and Japet were there. And even bumunot pa kami sa D-League. We got Bam Bam Gamalinda and Sean Weinstein, and you know, just people stepping up. So you know, the word on Larry is just his being present was a blessing, and that's why it's an excellent choice for Finals MVP. I wouldn't have given it to any other person on our team than Larry.
Coach Ryan Reyes set a new all-time record in steals, and this shows how attractive a defensive player is. Was he really the key to the defense that you played? Although Power Rangers wouldn't give up, they kept on firing from the outside.
Yeah, like we kept telling ourselves, let's play the best defense we can. Gary David is still going to make his shots because he's Gary, he's Superman. But let's just withstand it, keep making it hard for him. And Ryan Reyes best typified our defensive intensity. And you're right, they just wouldn't give up, but neither would we. And I guess in the end, we just had more depth than that Power 8 team. But next conference are going to be very, very strong. They have an excellent import in Dwayne Jones. And now they have that big guy to go with their fantastic wingman. So that's going to be a really, really strong team.
Coach, they will have Gilas nila ba? What's next for you?
Ako, second conference. Pagpahingay naman ako.
Sumuko ka na, sabihin mo na.
Sumuko ka na, Coach.
After the third conference last year, we went straight to Wuhan. And then when we came back, we went straight to practice for this. So I haven't taken a break. But I think we'll take hopefully a 1-week break in preparation for the second conference. Our import has been there since the start of the finals. Although I haven't actually seen him play kasi hindi naman kami nagpo-full practice. So I don't know if Gilas is in the drawing board, but there's nothing going to happen this year for Gilas. Anyway, there is nothing on the FIBA calendar this year. So we can just all focus and concentrate first on the second conference. And hopefully find a way to get deep again, to go deep into the second conference again, and we'll see what happens.
Coach, 4 conferences, 4 finals, 3 titles, dynasty?
The last time this happened, I went to 4 straight finals. It was Coke ako nun, di ba? And then hinata ko for the national team, and that wasn't a really good experience for me. So, I don't know. Right now, all that's on our mind is the next conference, and I hope we can find a way to get there again. I don't know if you can call that a dynasty. For me, I just simply call it sustained excellence. We just found a way to constantly, continuously push ourselves and not be content with what we've achieved. Just keep going and going and going. And I mean, we've said it so many times, this is just a special group of individuals. This is just a special kind of team. Tayo mag-golf.
So, bukas
Kailan ba yung pang?
Sige mo ako.
After lunch.
20 ako. Coach, congrats ha.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.